The objective of this lesson is to understand the ifs formula in Excel. And if you are looking for the normal if formula, I'm going to put a link in the description. So to understand the ifs formula, basically what it will do is that it will look at multiple conditions that you will put in this formula. And whenever it finds the first correct or true condition, it will return something you have specified based on this condition. So to understand it more, first of all, I can tell you that for conditions, you have operators here. So I've put the operators, you can look at them and use them. Those are the major ones. And two, we're going to take an example so you'll see how it works. So in this example, my first condition is I want a brand in this table that is Audi, and my second condition is that the horsepower should be equal to 200. So I'm going to test this on this row, and this row, and we'll see what we get. And again, we can add a lot more condition in this, and it's the same principle. So we come here, we write ifs equal ifs, open parentheses. My logical test is that this cell is equal to Audi, correct? And then comma, if the value is true, I want to return Audi. Next logical test is that HP, horsepower, is equal to 200, and if it's true, I want to return the horsepower. So I have two conditions. This is why I'm doing this. I put enter. Now, as you can see, I got Audi. Why? What it did first is it checks that this brand is an Audi, right? And it's an Audi, so it will stop here and give me this. And this I specified it to be just to return this is an Audi. Next, we have a Mercedes with 200. So we're going to do ifs. Logical test one is that this cell is equal to Audi, comma. If this is the case, give me back this cell. If not, then the second condition is that the horsepower is equal to my 200. If it's true, I want to get back the horsepower. I close the parentheses, enter, I get 200. Why did I get 200? Because this is Mercedes, it's not Audi, so the first condition is false. The second condition, 200 is equal to 200, it's true, so I return this, which is 200. In the next case, we have both Audi and 200 true. So what will happen in this case? It will return the value that we specify for the first true condition. And my first true condition in my ifs formula is condition 1. And you'll see it should return Audi. Ifs, logical test, this is equal to Audi, comma, we want to return the Audi. Otherwise, if this is equal to 200, we want to return the horsepower. And as you can see, it will return Audi, which is my first true condition. And this formula will save you a lot of hassle. If you have multiple conditions, you will use multiple ifs and it will become very cumbersome. In this formula, you can check and troubleshoot very easily.